Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you this thing that makes a super loud noise. All you have to do is just take a rectangular size paper, fold it in half, and you're gonna have this, like this, and then you just fold this two in half. Now all you have to do is put it over here, and then blow as hard as you can. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.